And I talked to a lot of the guys, John Cena, some of the guys I've known for years, and some of the guys who I just met. And I'm going to...
Well, hello everybody. Brian here from QuantLabs.net. Welcome to another wacky world at 3 in the morning, Saturday, February 6th. Okay, let's talk about what's been going on in the world of markets. Markets are suddenly up. I only use these are 4-hour harmonic scans with excellent score or very good. I don't really look at anything else but that. But what I started noticing is that, let me just pull up the Yahoo here. Actually, I'm just switching over. Let's say finance yahoo.com. Alright, so what we've got here is, I'm just on a VPN here using Opera, the new browser. Boy oh boy, what's been going on in the market. So you can see the markets are up a little bit. They're up something like 4.7% for the week. So it's not too bad actually. So when you look at all of these, we have lots of longs. Okay, USD Canadian. A lot of what we used to have as the safe havens are no longer that. It's the opposite now. So this is really important to see and take note what could perform. We have here gold in British pounds, gold in Hong Kong, gold in New Zealand, in Singapore, and Britain. Oh, sorry, that's silver. Silver in Britain short, silver in Hong Kong short. On the Euro, Denmark. More longs on the Euro, Hong Kong, New Zealand. Another one for New Zealand. But a weak one for Sweden. So this is the thing. These are the traditional safe haven trades. Euro and Scandinavia, Sweden, Hong Kong. But they're now shorting. But the opposite of what we're used to that we're shorting, we're performing. And look at this. Euro, SGD, or Hong Kong. Look at this. This is performing pretty good too. Euro and USD. Well, we don't really care about that. But we have a short here for USD China. And this used to be a safe haven. USD Poland is slightly short. Got a long here for the USD Thai baht, but it's getting hit as well most recently. And this also got hit hard too. The USD Canadian short, but it's still got a long call. USD Denmark, okay, that one I'm not sure on what's going on there. I would expect that to long. USD Norway is shortened, so we can expect that. So what you're seeing that are pulling out longs are the ones that will become market leaders over the short term. So look at natural gas, that's a short. Okay, we can expect that. Same with corn and USD. So we got more shorts here. Canadian, Hong Kong. Pound against the Rand. Let's see here. I'm looking for anything that's... Okay, this one's important. We talked about this 2 days ago. We know this is a market leader right here. Copper and USD. Okay, that's a big deal. Moving into the very good. Another one, a market leader is Australia, US dollar. Pound, the UK 100 short. So, is it possible things may be turning around? We'll know in the next week. But very good signs if you are looking for recovery. But you can see here all the USD Sweden. There's a long, there's a short, USD long. So the ones that are performing specifically in the Forex might be fairly strong. Silver though, still a short. I mean, even after this Reddit thing, So there's a story behind there by the guy that led that, who was a security, he had a CFA. He's in trouble. Anyways, silver short, silver New Zealand short, silver in Singapore short, and then we continue with better performance. Australia, Hong Kong. Again, Australia USD had a long. The long here, Euro Canadian. A long here for 2, 3 Euro CHF, Euro Hong Kong. That's pretty good. So anything Euro is looking good. Okay, Euro Hungary, I would say, okay, short there. That would be looked upon as a safe haven, but as I said, with a market Euro and Japanese yen, I mean that's strong. Got a long there, another one. You're in Poland. More shorts there. We got a long and a short. Euro USD, another long. So if you're a big trader for this one, that's your bet. Euro and Japanese yen looks like it could be the better performer for now, which would make sense. Singapore USD long. So now, oh, I'm sorry. This is Singapore market, a long here. This is rare. You don't see a lot of markets, like market indices, long. This is the only one. I haven't seen one in a long time. This is the first one, but you got 3 of them. That's really good. So if you want to put money into a market, that's a good one. New Zealand, Singapore, long. UK 100, okay, that's a short. India, still shorting. Rial, short. Thai baht, short. So again, that's not really much. USD and Czech. All these safe havens, just not looking good. USD in Hong Kong, for some reason, is a long. Well, that's short there. And again, we can expect these to be long. So that's a mix, again, with the USD Sweden. New Zealand, Hong Kong, 2. So we have 3 longs there. New Zealand, Hong Kong, 3 longs. That's a strong one. New Zealand USD, yeah, that's a long. We'll probably get better performance in the New Zealand USD. So we're starting to see some US dollar pairs in Forex. That's good for the US dollar. So it might be starting to reverse. But again, the news can change. I think that's really leading into the, there's been more talk of the stimulus, and they want to table it, so I think that is the factor. Rand Japanese yen's got a long. And last one, copper again, another second long USD. But this is the driver of it all, because that's a lead indicator for manufacturing. No questions, so we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, or night, or BR. Later.